Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at this one important hidden feature to protect your child's eye or vision from holding the phone, the iPhone or the iPad too close to the face on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, in Screen Time, go down and tap on Screen Distance. In here, tap on the toggle button. Tap on the Screen Distance toggle button to switch it on. Once this is turned on, then it said that this feature is to reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia, ensuring Screen Distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or an iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So when you turn this on, it will not work immediately, only after your child or you holding the iPhone too close to your eye for a prolonged period of time. If you just holding the phone close to your eye, the feature will not remind you, the phone will not remind you immediately. It will take some time for that feature to kick in, and it will notify you that you're holding your phone too close and the phone is now in screen or downtime or timeout, and you need to actually move your phone away from your eye to be able to use the phone again. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.